Did you know coconut leaves have been woven for centuries to build roofs and walls without a single nail or machine? Let's see how this ancient skill turns leaves into shelters. Raw materials. The coconut leaves from various coconut farms are harvested, dried, and brought to the work shelter for further processing. The leaves are then transferred from the carrier to the waiting area. Waiting. At this stage, the leaves are continuously moistened on the stacked pile to facilitate the softening process by removing their natural rigidity. Soaking. The moistened leaves are subsequently immersed in a water-filled tank to ensure thorough soaking, which facilitates smoother and more pliable weaving. Slicing. Next, the soaked leaves are removed from the tank, longitudinally sliced along the central rib into two halves, and neatly stacked in preparation for weaving. Weaving. The sliced leaves are then transported to the weaving area. Here, a centuries-old technique is employed by skilled artisans to transform the coconut leaflets into woven panels. At this stage, the leaflets adjacent to the central rib are bent and twisted at right angles. Then, interlaced with neighboring leaflets, one above and one below in a tight overlap to form durable woven panels. This process is repeated until all the leaflets on one side of the central rib are woven to form the base layer of the panel. The tips of the leaflets are drawn together and tightly knotted at regular intervals to prevent the woven panel from loosening. This completes the weaving process, resulting in a durable coconut leaf panel suitable for use in shelter construction. Bundling. The woven leaf panels produced by all the workers are collected, systematically stacked, and securely tied into bundles for transport or storage. Delivery. The bundles are then loaded onto a transport carrier and delivered to local markets for sale. These hand-woven coconut leaf panels aren't just beautiful, they are used as walls and roofs, forming the backbone of traditional, eco-friendly huts.